All right, this is just a quick overview of how you edit the spreadsheet. Now, there's a lot of places you can input stuff in, but the only things that you want to change are the things that are in yellow. So, and on the right side, obviously this is where you're gonna put the values of like how much it is. On the left side, this is actually what it is. So if this was your say like your truck payment, you're just gonna type that in, and then you're gonna put whatever the price of that payment is. All right, you click off of it, and then the calculator will automatically add up. As long as you don't go into these fields and mess with any of the formulas, everything should work. And if you ever mess up, you can always re-download the calculator, and you'll just get a fresh sheet. Same thing here, like in yellow, you don't have to worry about this part because it's not in yellow, but you want to go ahead and input the money field, how much it's going to cost you preventative maintenance, how many times a year you get it, how many numbers, how many trucks do you have in your company. This is kind of how you fill this out. Now for the driver's part, the driver's pay, depending on how you pay your driver or how you pay yourself, you only want to do one of them. So if you do a percentage pay, then everything else is going to be 0. If you do a flat rate, put in a flat rate. Just say it's like 1,000, right? It's $1,000 a week. Then you're going to have 0 for the percentage. Okay. So again, you're only going to do one of these. Now the per mile, if you do unloaded miles, go ahead and put the unloaded miles, and you put the loaded and unloaded miles, so that you fill in for that to come up. But if it's just a flat rate for the mile, you just want to put the number in at the top. And again, just go into the parts that are yellow. For this weekly profit estimate, some of these are coming in from different other parts of the spreadsheet. That's why it's white. You don't want to put anything in there. You fill in the spots on the spreadsheet that is yellow. It will update here for you. And really for the repairs and the scale, that's just some of the things that come up most of the time in trucking. That's why I have it there. But feel free to add more of what could happen during the week, so you can kind of guesstimate your costs. And once you fill out what's going on here, it'll spit the numbers out here over to the right. And for the miles driven per week, this is all, if you fill out everything on the left, you just fill out everything here, everything will calculate as it's supposed to in this section here. The videos are going to go section by section, so you know how everything works, but only fill out the parts starting in yellow. Up here, you're just inputting the miles if you're trying to guesstimate something. You're just doing your mileage, you're just doing what you grossed, you're just inputting those fields. On here on the left, you're just putting what it is. All right, so just the basic overview of how you edit the spreadsheet.